Qualities of people with Libra Moon Sign. Individuals with a Libra Moon Sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the harmonious and diplomatic nature of Libra. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Libra Moon Sign. Harmonious and diplomatic. Libra Moon individuals have a natural inclination towards peace and harmony. They strive to create balance in their relationships and environments, and they excel at finding compromises and resolving conflicts. Social and sociable. They have a natural charm and enjoy socializing with others. Libra Moon people are often well liked and have the ability to make people feel comfortable in their presence. They value connection and enjoy building harmonious relationships. Aesthetic sensibility. They have a keen eye for beauty and appreciate aesthetics. Libra Moon individuals are often drawn to art, fashion, and design, and they have a talent for creating visually pleasing environments. Fairness and justice. They have a strong sense of fairness and justice. Libra Moon individuals value equality and will often advocate for fairness in their interactions and in society as a whole. Indecisiveness. They can have difficulty making decisions due to their desire to weigh all options and consider different perspectives. Libra Moon people may seek external input and strive to find a middle ground before reaching a decision. Relationship-oriented. They thrive in partnerships and value close relationships. Libra Moon individuals enjoy the companionship and collaboration that come with being in a committed relationship. They prioritize harmony and cooperation in their partnerships. People-pleasing. They have a tendency to prioritize the needs and desires of others, sometimes to the detriment of their own well-being. Libra Moon people may find it challenging to assert their own needs and may struggle with setting boundaries. Charming and diplomatic communication. They have a way with words and can communicate their thoughts and feelings in a diplomatic and tactful manner. Libra Moon individuals often seek consensus and harmony in their conversations. Appreciation for beauty and culture. They have an appreciation for beauty, culture, and the arts. Libra Moon individuals enjoy attending social events, visiting art galleries, and engaging in activities that stimulate their aesthetic sensibilities. Desire for partnership. They have a strong desire for romantic partnerships and seek companionship in their lives. Libra Moon individuals thrive when they have a supportive and balanced partnership. It's important to note that the moon sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets, can influence their personality and behavior.